Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have noticed that Instagram is automatically following accounts for you, you are not alone. It can be a little annoying when the app follows random accounts without your permission, especially if you are not sure why is it actually happening. So whether it's due to Instagram's algorithm, a glitch, or even a security issue, this can definitely be frustrating. So here in today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop Instagram from automatically following accounts without your consent. So I will guide you through some simple fixes, including adjusting your settings and securing your accounts. Now before proceeding into this video, make sure you check out the links of all the sources mentioned down in the description. Now without further delay, let's get straight into it. So in the first method, we will need to check for any unwanted apps or permissions. Sometimes third-party application connected to Instagram accounts can actually cause the issue of auto-following, and these applications might be managing your account without your knowledge. Here is how you can check and here is how you can remove them. First of all, you need to launch your Instagram mobile application. Then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you need to tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right hand corner, and then you need to go to your settings. Now in your settings, you just have to either scroll down and try to find security, or you can even use the search bar in the top and you can search for security. So here we have the security checkup, so you need to simply tap on it. Over here, you need to select that particular app or any website that is causing you the problem. If you see any of the website here that is causing you the problem, you just have to remove it from here. By removing any of the suspicious or unneeded application, you can actually stop them from interfering with your Instagram account. Now in the second method, we are going to revoke access to your Instagram account. So if you are still having the same issue of automatically following, it is a good idea to actually disconnect your Instagram account from any suspicious or any third-party applications. For that, you need to just again come in your settings and search for security. Here in your security, under the apps, you will be able to see the active websites and the application. So you need to just remove those from here and you are done. You can even just try to contact to the Instagram customer support team in this regard. For that, you just have to come in your settings, and here in your settings you just have to scroll all the way down and select the option of report a problem, or you can select the option of help. Over here, select report a problem, then press report problem without shaking. Over here, press continue, and then you will be landed on this page. Over here, you can briefly describe that you don't want Instagram to actually automatically follow other accounts, and you can just send your request. Then you can wait for some time, like 24 to 48 hours, until you get any response from Instagram or until the automatically following in your account is stopped. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.